So the next thing I got to do is have a piece come along the top and another piece come up from here, but you have to work out how to make them meet. There's a few ways to do it. You could do it like this, cut that angle, but the way I decided to do it is take this angle, which is 130 degrees, and you halve it to whatever that might be, maybe 63 or something, and you cut these both at 63 degrees, and then when you line them up you'll have a perfect joint. So let's get onto that. So I've already got the angle in here at whatever that needed to be, 65.6. so let's cut some steel. I thought I would take you inside and show you some modelling I've been doing in SketchUp. You can see the frame that I have kind of half done and the frame that I'm working on now. It's really good for getting a bit of an idea of some measurements and practically how one would install it. I've also done a bit of a mock-up of how I might do the interior. It's still a work in progress, but it's a really good way to get ideas flowing. Now, better get back to some welding. Oh, we're starting to get there. Looking good. So that's all for this episode. The rain just keeps on doing its thing. So yeah, I hope to get back to it next week. Anyway, thanks for joining. I hope you enjoyed yourself.